It's like today, all of today I've been in a very fairly calm frame of mind, as in I've done a lot of reading, and overall I've just been fairly happy. And so I've realized that when you're fairly calm and happy, you automatically have more energy. It's such a beautiful realization. So speaking of the kind of like the book reviews, today I did a lot of reading and I totally enjoyed it. So there's this book called Alternative Realities by Nighat Gandhi. So her book speaks about basically she's a Pakistani married to an Indian who uh, who migrated from Bangladesh. So and she's spent a good part of her life in the States and then in UK, and also it's it begins with her story, and then she takes us through, like it's like a travelogue really. And it's basically love in the lives of Muslim women. That's the tagline of this book. So it's quite a different and interesting kind of book. And for those of y'all who've read um, this these certain books carry you along with them, like like it's I can barely put it into words because it's a 400-page book, and it's quite interesting. So, on that note, thanks for, instead of fumbling and grappling and finding the right words to describe it, let's just say reading certain books is an experience, because it's like for those few moments when you're reading that book, you're transported to that particular place. And only very skilled writers like Khalid Hosseini, like Kite Runner, and they have that power. So I found that in this book also. So uh, you know so people, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.